Hey adventurers, it's time for another Christmas extravagant trip. So today we're here at Riverbend Nature Center, where if you check out my blog, I was at actually earlier this year checking out the actual nature area with the butterfly conservatory and the cute little prairie dogs. They have a light exhibit and it's very similar to other places that are like this in your area. So let's go check it out.
Outside on the terrace area, the walkways, all around the children's garden. Santa Claus is in the general store on the far side, and then all going down the switchbacks down to the lower area to where that ceremony area is.
You have a ticket and coming in, there are tons of different lighting displays throughout the entire conservatory. There's also a story time. Place is huge and awesome and leaves you a lot of adventure to be had during its regular business, but definitely during Christmas from the 6:30 to 8:30 time. Now, this has been going on since the week before Thanksgiving and it runs until the weekend of Christmas. So this is a nice way for us to get out and explore a little bit. And like I said, lots of places like the Botanic Gardens and zoos do this, so you should definitely check it out. Most of the time they have the animals highlighted and then all of the beautiful, pretty, twinkly Christmas lights. So now we're moving outside where we're going to hit the switchbacks and take one of the little hiking trails outside that is lined with Christmas lights. I am really excited about this. Should be really pretty. Of course we found a bunny! A bunny for the bunny blog. That's awesome. By far my favorite part of the display, the penguins over here in the North Pole. They are so cute and this entire little area is awesome. So after a lot of fun time to warm up. My little fingers are so cold, so we're gonna have hot cocoa, and yeah, that's today at Riverbend Nature Center here in Wichita Falls. Again, go to your zoos, check out your botanic gardens, things like that, any place that there might be animals, and you can probably find something similar to this. So I hope you enjoy your holidays.